wouldn't be able to use it. But it was used for it looked like it had the old back. It seems like a common thing for kids. How you gonna
careful, Brian. Don't go too fast or you'll run it over. But it works better with that thing cut in there. I'll tell you what. It's freaking cool.
It's tight, ain't it?
Holy smokes.
Like our others.
And you can see out of it.
Yeah, better than what I thought you could.
Wow.
Definitely looks like it's going to be on rails in the corner.
Yeah.
Pretty tight looking.
You got after this corner down here, it looked real good.
It actually will slide a little bit.
Yeah. And that's a key thing. If it'll do that,
Yeah, you can actually flat track to a corner.
right, you drive it on self-center auto, and before you ever get to the corner, if you can get it to slide, you pitch it out of.
And then get after it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just let her eat.
Around there.
Motor sounds good too.
Looks stiff. It needs about another.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put some air in the front. We're riding on the bump stops, Bob. We thought if we drove it a little bit, we could get it to come up. Put some fuel in it, and I'll straighten the front tires back out, and we'll get the nitrogen gauges and bottle and throw some gas to it. Yeah, it's beating my head around in here pretty good. Feel like a pinball. Yeah. Over the wheel well on the right-hand side in the front.
Bar's broke.
Yeah, goddamn, right in the middle.
All right, we need to send somebody to the
Wanna go
shop.
to the shop?
Yeah, it's up on the. There's one up on the balcony.
Like,
right as you start to go up the stairs, it's right there on the left. There's two of them.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
What?
You shouldn't have given it to him.
I might not have, now that I think about it.
That wasn't on the list. It should be in here.
Left wheel well in the front, Brian. Should be in a cardboard box.
All right, I got this.
This side. All right, you got your side.
Close to the end, right in the middle, boys.
You take your side out of here.
I got this. Yeah, Chris.
Got the new bar.
Try to get that tape off.
Figure it out.
Of course, it went right in there.
My God, it's not that much of mine that went right in.
Well, it went right in this last time, man.
It's just a good fit, you know. Even if it's in a bind, it shouldn't be this. A little bit of a bind, you know what I mean? It's going to drag.
Well, we
through
wouldn't have
that
got it in
bind.
if there was a problem.
No.
get a truckload. Let's do it again.
He's like, I'm just getting warmed up.
Hell yeah.
Probably got to find a sponsor for them.
I tell you what, for right out of the box.
Yeah.
How much different, Brian, is this bar than what we use on every other truck? I mean, besides the metal, I mean, I'm just mounting their stuff.
No, it's the same.
The mounting.
Well, you're probably all going to see that. That was Bigfoot 18. It's an awesome piece. We got a great place to test. You know, here at the Midwest Recyclers, them guys were just awesome. Let us come out. We're running a little short of time, but you know, I tested 14 and tested 16 right out of the box, and they were close, but we never had one this close. And when we get it, it's going to get it. And that's the easiest way to put it. I mean, it's a bad piece, you know, and a new body, and I'm gonna have to do some adjusting as far as seeing and stuff, but it's awesome, you know, to take something and hit it like we hit that today, first time and ever hit anything. I can't say enough about it. Brian, Chris, John, the guys at the shop, freaking awesome.